Welcome to the Information Center of International Contractors. If you enjoy what you are provided, please support us by liking and subscribing. Land Registration and Property Valuation Project. The Republic of Moldova has released an invitation for bids for the Land Registration and Property Valuation Project, identified as Project P161238, with notice number OP00331019. This tender, published on December 31, 2024, seeks bids for two lots, Lot 1, which is the supply and installation of modernization of the graphical cadastral database, and Lot 2, dedicated to the supply and installation of an electronic documents management system. The project is being financed by the World Bank, credit number 6306MD, and the borrower bid reference is MD PSA 461273 GO-RFB. The required notice language is English. The Public Services Agency, represented by Iuliana Palati, is the contact organization, with the purchaser being the public institution Real Estate Cadastre. This agency's address is in Chișinău, Moldova, with contact details including phone number +37369245458 and email pif.procurement@ipby.gov.md. The submission deadline for bids is set for February 11, 2025, at 11 a.m., and both the database modernization and the electronic document management system have an implementation period of 12 months, followed by a 12-month warranty period. The primary goal is to modernize cadastral information management and ensure its compatibility with relevant standards.